The European Internet Network brings you the news, sponsored by DHL Worldwide Express, your distribution partners.
Hello, and welcome to Inside China Today. I'm Deirdre Brennan, and here are some of the stories we're following for Wednesday, June 10th. China's Securities Authority cracks down on market speculation. The Taiwan dollar hits an 11-year low. And the U.S. president will attend arrival ceremonies at Tiananmen Square. The China Securities Regulatory Commission fined several Chinese firms Wednesday for illegally subscribing to a new mutual fund reserved for individuals. Large-scale mutual funds were made available to individual Chinese citizens earlier this year. Soaring prices since the fund's listing had raised concerns over speculation. New regulations, which went into effect last week, temporarily halted trading of 6 companies on the Shanghai and Shenzhen stock exchanges after a 3-day slide in their stock prices. The measures were designed to promote disclosure and limit speculation. For more on the issue, please see Inside China Today's headlines. Taiwan's dollar bottomed out at an 11-year low of 34.78 to the US dollar Wednesday morning. The slide of Japan's yen below the 140 to the US dollar mark has added additional strain to Taiwan's troubled markets. The Taiwan stock market dropped 5% on Monday and 1.8% by the close on Tuesday. The slowdown in the Japanese economy has contributed to a 64.5% reduction in Taiwan's trade surplus since last May. U.S. President Bill Clinton defended his decision on Tuesday to attend an arrival ceremony at Tiananmen Square. The trip is a state visit, Clinton said, and Chinese protocol should prevail. The visit has come under fire in Congress due to concerns over China's human rights policy. Clinton, who is the first president to visit China since the 1989 Tiananmen Square massacre, is scheduled to be in China between June 25th and July 3rd. Panicky investors in a sagging Japanese yen contributed to a 4% drop in Hong Kong shares on Wednesday. Dealers fear additional rounds of devaluation, including the Chinese yuan. China has repeatedly denied that any devaluation of its currency is necessary. Investors are looking to today's meeting of G7 deputy finance ministers in Paris to bolster the floundering yen. But officials say a public statement is unlikely. The Hang Seng Index dropped to a 3-year low on Wednesday. And now for a look at Thursday's weather. Skies over Beijing will be partly cloudy. Daytime highs will reach the mid-80s with overnight lows in the high 60s. Skies will be cloudy in Shanghai. Highs will reach around 70 with overnight lows around 60. Expect thunderstorms in Hong Kong. Highs will reach the mid-80s with overnight lows in the high 70s. There's a chance of thunderstorms in Taipei. Highs will reach the mid-80s with overnight lows in the mid-70s. And that's Inside China Today. For the European Internet Network, this is Deirdre Brennan.
Today's news was brought to you by DHL Worldwide Express.